for part 2 of the Epic polish unboxing, and I have a lot, so I guess let's just get into it. If you guys missed it, a very sweet nail friend gave me 2 large polish boxes full of like older drugstore mainstream polishes, and we're kind of just going through them on camera. And so let's get back into it. So this is going to be Bubble Plum from the Sally Hansen Sugar Coat collection. This was sort of like a textured polish line. This is going to be Flushed, and this is from a newer Simple Colors release. I loved the packaging on this. I thought it was really pretty. This reminds me of fall leaves, and I think it's so gorgeous, and I need to wear it. This is going to be Fall of Surprises, but it's like a copper glitter bomb from Finger Paints, you guys. I need to find the perfect base for that and bust that out because it's beautiful. This is from Spoiled, and this is called Jewelry Heist, and I think this had some fading into the base, just based on the color of the base coat, but let me check that one out. This is a gorgeous color, and I don't know how I don't own it. This is from Salon Perfect, and it's called Talk to the Hand. Remember that? Talk to the Hand. But look at that. If your hand is wearing this color of polish, I will definitely be talking to it. Like if you're like that to me, I'm going to be like, yes, I understand, because you're going to have this gorgeous polish on your hands. Are you guys like me? Like, are you a nails first kind of person? Like, I feel like when I meet people, I mean, I look at their face, obviously. And then I feel like my second look is straight to the nails. Like, what are they wearing? And then I look at their shoes and their bag. That's kind of like how I scan people out. That like it's face, nails. Face, nails. Let me know if you guys are the same. This looks amazing. So this is from CND Vinylux, and this is called Hand Fired. Look at this, you guys. I have to wear this. It's amazing. Amazing. This is from the Kylie Denim and Bling, and this one is called Cargo. And I think, no, this says matte. I think these were textured, but it says matte. But I would top coat that because it's really pretty. I feel like I'm not as into textured polish as I was, for whatever reason. Then this is going to be Starry Night from Essie. Not the original. This was the second release that everybody was kind of like womp womp about. It's pretty in its own way, but when you have like a cult classic polish and then you recreate it and then it's not the same, people are going to have an opinion on it for sure. This one is called Swing Baby from China Glaze, and this is really pretty. And then this is kind of cool. This is Glow in the Dark, and then it has like little, I don't know, dead on. It has like little people shaped glitters. I don't know. Very cute. But I don't know. Sometimes these bigger, like special shaped glitters, just don't lay on the nail correctly. So I'll have to try that one out. This is from Julie G. And this is called Rock Candy. This is textured because it says here, for full effect, do not use top coat. But it's really gorgeous. And then again, if you don't want the full texture effect, put on some top coat. This one is Treble Maker from China Glaze. This is one of my favorite polishes ever, you guys. I do have this in my collection. I love this for Halloween because I feel like it really says Halloween. Like it's bright, it's witchy. It's witchy. Kind of gives me like Wizard of Oz witch vibes, and then it's also perfect for summer. Like it's a very versatile chameleon type polish. If you haven't worn that one for Halloween and you have it, get it out for Halloween. It's perfect. Then this is a really fun glitter and I don't have it. This is Lights of Emerald City. It has like white squares and like iridescent stuff. It looks cool. This is another one that's really pretty. It needs to be shaken up. But this is Morgan Taylor's Who's That Girl. I actually have this in my collection and it's gorgeous and perfect for fall, and I'm glad I saw it in here to remind me. This is Sure Enough from China Glaze, another really beautiful green. This oily, you guys, oh my gosh, when I pulled this out of the box, I was so excited. This is called Meet Me Under the Mistletoe. Look at that. Do you guys hang up mistletoe? I don't. I put up like 5 Christmas trees, but I do not do mistletoe. This is Chillin' with My Snowmies. I have this and I don't like how the base got kind of yellow. And it's also like this in this bottle. So I know it's not just mine. This is also from the Sugar Shimmer Sally Hansen. And this is called Work of Tart. I like that name. Work of Tart. This is an older Wet n Wild. And this is Grey's Anatomy. So my niece Kylie has watched all seasons of Grey's Anatomy. I don't know how long it took her, but it, like, not since it started. Like, she recently started binge watching it. And so I had a bowel resection surgery in December, and she was like, Auntie Josie, I feel like the next time if you need another surgery, like, I could do a bowel resection. And I've watched a lot of Grey's Anatomy, and like, you could just have your doctor send me the reports, and I'll just let them know. Like, you don't gotta go Mayo Clinic. I could probably do a bowel resection in the kitchen. Okay. Sounds legit. We'll try it. But yeah, she's obsessed with Grey's Anatomy. This is Wild Watermelon from the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. I love these Crayolas, you guys. I'm pretty sure I have this one, and I love it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful, bright color for spring and summer. This is China Glazes, and it's from Holographic, and it's Don't Be a Lunatic. These were like a kind of not so popular holographic collection among the polished peeps, because the holographic wasn't as good as the OMG collection, and these came out after. And I think people were a little disappointed, if y'all remember the controversy. This is Sally Hansen Extreme White On, just a white cream. This looks amazing as well. And this is Color Club's Berry and Bright, you guys. That is like so vampy. Oh, amazing. You can see why this got me so excited for fall. I was telling you guys in the last video, like, this polish box just got me in a mood. I'm ready to drink a pumpkin spice latte, wear a big scarf, carve a pumpkin, fall in a pile of leaves, have all these colors on my nails. Like, I'm here. I'm ready. I'm ready. This is Grinchworthy from China Glaze. This is a gorgeous polish. I have this already, and I think it's beautiful. This is a Sally Hansen Mega Strength in Like a Girl. Again, perfect for fall. Gorgeous. Another Crayola in Sky Blue from Sally Hansen. Beautiful color. This is from Spoiled. These were available exclusively at CVS when they were being made. And this is I Got So Plastered. What a polish name. Okay. This is pretty though. Look at that. I'm gonna have to try that. Sort of like a shimmer grandma. Like your grandma's doing a little bit of shimmy. Like a little bit more of a fun grandma than a normal grandma. This is an Orly Matte Top Coat. That's an interesting color. I wonder. I've never seen it. I don't know. This is China Glaze's Splish Splash. I do not have this polish, and it's really pretty. This is Essie, and this is Going Guru. Very pretty as well. Do you guys remember these? Because I do. They're from Revlon, and it was like a, I think you were kind of meant to like wear one and then a topper. I don't remember exactly, but this is a glitter, and this is sort of like a black shimmer. I never had any of those, so it's interesting. This one is Hong Kong Sunrise from OPI. This is like an older collection as well. I don't have any of these polishes, and this is really, really pretty. This is from China Glaze, and this is Electric Beat. I don't have this one either. Gorgeous. Hologasm from Revlon. This was, they did like a whole holographic collection, and again, sort of like a weak holographic. These are pretty, but it wasn't like what we're used to from Indie Polish, you know. This is from Essie, and this one is Beyond Cozy. Oh my gosh, you guys. So, Beyond Cozy is one of the first Essies I like literally ever bought. And I always felt like it was the perfect accent nail when I first got into doing my nails, accent nails were all the rage. Like everyone was about an accent nail, and it was usually the ring finger, and I would always put Essie Biancosi. I think I have a full-size bottle, and I'm probably halfway on the full-size bottle because I legit accent nailed that Essie Biancosi to death. Like to death. And if you saw me anytime when I first got into polish, my ring finger had Essie Biancosi on it 9 times out of 10. This is from the Giver collection from China Glaze, and this is called Release. This is pretty. I might have this. I need to look. This is from Confetti. This was also available at CVS. You guys, look at this. It's a really cool topper. I do not have this, and this is called Ice Ice Baby. Too cold, too cold. I'm sure y'all know about Vanilla Ice. I don't need to school you on that. Unless you're probably under the age of like 35. But look it up. He was like a worldwide sensation. That was the biggest song ever. This is L'Oreal. And they did like a neons. They did like a nudes collection, and they had a bunch of celebrities pick their perfect nude. And oh my gosh, I have one, and it's amazing. I think it's like Dozion's nude or something. Obsessed with that. This is a different one. This is Laya's nude, and this looks really gorgeous as well. So I'm excited to try that because the formula on the one I have too is perfection. This is Orly Melcher Popsicle. I have this. I love it. It's a good one. Classic, in my opinion. Okay, so this is also Stone Crystal Shimmer Collection from Sinful Colors. I think in the last video I mentioned that is one of my favorite full polish collections of all time out of the drugstore or mainstream. This is Clay Me, which is beautiful. This is from Urban Outfitters when they did polish. This is called Bohemian Summer. You know me, and a speckled polish. So pretty. This is a Sugar Shimmer from Sally Hansen, and this is called Sugar Cloud. That's really pretty. I might want to try that with top coat. Then I have Peaches and Cream from Sinful Colors. This was part of the Candy Johnson Vintage Mattes. I don't know if I'll like that on my skin tone. Peaches are hard for me. This one is To All a Good Night from OPI. This looks so beautiful, and I don't have that. This is Liquid Crystal from China Glaze. This was kind of part of that Prism. I talked about a Prism one. This came out in that same collection, I believe. This is from NYC, and this is called Ruby Queen. I already have this one, and it's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I might be happy to have a backup of that. This is going to be OPI's By the Light of the Moon. This is kind of interesting looking. It's like a silver shimmer, but then it has silver glitters. Interesting finish. This is from Revlon, and this is called Grape Icy. It looks very sheer. And then this is from e.l.f., and this is called Metallic Navy. That looks really pretty. Again, perfect for fall. This is a Rimmel Metal Rush. I'm kind of really excited to try this, and this does not have a name that I can see, but look how cool that looks. Like a multi-chrome. This is Liquid Leather from China Glaze, Black Cream. This is Orly's Preamp. I don't think I have this. It's like a pink shimmer. Gorgeous. China Glazes, Twinkle Twinkle Little Starfish. I don't have this. I want to say I thought these were textured, but I could be totally off. I don't remember. I've slept a few nights since those collections came out. This one is OPI's My Address is Hollywood. You guys, this looks so pretty, and it has some really pretty like gold shimmer. I don't know if it'll show up on the nail, but you could see it there. It's gorgeous. This is $6.35 from CoverGirl Outlast. I think I may have this or have had this in my collection. This is Avon's Eclipse. This looks gorgeous too. I think this is, they kind of came out with a holographic line, and this may be the black from that. This is a Zoya satin in Leah. I never tried the Zoya satins. I don't have any of them. I got Hypnotic from Revlon. This is one of my favorite polishes of all time. If you do not have Revlon Hypnotic, go get you some Revlon Hypnotic. It is good. This looks really pretty as well. This is On Pines and Needles from Sally Hansen Salon Manicure. Has like a little bit of a shimmer. This looks amazing. So this is Sea Change from Wet n Wild Mega Last. You guys be mesmerized with. Look how beautiful that looks. I'm coughing, I'm sorry. This is Dark Side of the Mood by OPI. This looks gorgeous as well. I don't think it's a black. It's like a really deep gray. Close to black. This is from the Vanessa Hudgens Simple Colors collection. And this is My Tribe. That would be cute for fall. Kind of bright, but like leaf colored. Another one from the Stone Crystal Shimmer collection. This is Gata Terracotta. And then I have Orly in Explosion of Fun. Sort of like a top. Look at that. Very pretty topper. China Glazes Manhunt, which is this beautiful blue. OPI's Are We There Yet? This looks amazing. And then you guys, this looks so good. This is OPI Not So Bora Bora Pink. A lot of beautiful sort of like grandma-y OPIs in these boxes, which, oh, you guys look at that. Amazing. So I think I've talked enough, and I'll do one more unboxing on this box and then probably 3 on the next box, and then we'll just get that out of the way. Let me know if you're enjoying these videos. Do you have any of these polishes that I'm showing to you guys? Am I taking you back down memory lane? If you haven't been into polish for a really long time, like, what are your thoughts on some of the older stuff that the drugstore used to do? If you all like this video, please make sure to click the like button down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Thanks you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye!